Hello, welcome back, Year 8. I'm just here to explain to you what the essay that you'll be submitting in 2 weeks' time, that's the 26th of May, is all about. Now, you'll remember you had an inquiry question. The inquiry question was, what credit is owed to Haiti for the sacrifices it made to abolish slavery? And if you recall, credit had a dual meaning there, and a dual meaning which you'll need to reflect in your essay. On the one hand, it can mean recognition, knowledge of and understanding of the sacrifices they made. And then on the other hand, it can mean, financial compensation, because as you learned in the lesson or in the YouTube video, they were burdened, very heavily burdened by a huge debt that it was the French government acting on behalf of the Grand Blancs put on the Haitian people to repay the Grand Blancs for their quote-unquote lost property, which included the slaves that they used to own. So that's your essay question. Now, how are you going to go about planning that? Well, you can put your ideas into this table here. Just put it there. So you can plan your essay using this grid here. There are 4 guiding questions, as it were, that will help you to structure your essay into a coherent sort of argument. Key thing you can start with: how did France benefit from slavery in Haiti? And that would be your introductory paragraph. How did the French create racial divisions on the island between whites, free coloreds, and black slaves? Then 4, what sacrifices did the Haitians have to make to abolish slavery and win independence from France? And really you're using some of the knowledge you gained from lessons 6 and 7, the last 2 lessons before the final one. And then, why was it so difficult for Haiti to rebuild and develop after independence? This is going to be the knowledge that you've gained in this lesson, where we looked at the events from 1806 right up until 2004 with the overthrow of, 2010, with the massive earthquake. So that's how you're going to be structuring the notes that you will be taking or collating. That's your inquiry question. There are some things that you can use here as well to help you. Add some details to your essay, particularly in the final paragraph. And then you just need to come to a judgment. A judgment is an overall conclusion where you lay your flag on what side of the argument you are going on. What credit do you think is owed to Haiti? Do you think they should, like Aristide said, be given compensation? Or do you think recognition is enough? Do you think too much time has passed? Or do you think that without this compensation, without having to pay this huge fine to France, that Haiti would have been a much different country, and so they are owed this because it was stolen from them for no good reason, and therefore they are owed it, and they're still suffering from it. Nothing has changed. So you can make very nuanced arguments there, and I'm really looking forward to seeing your entries there. If you have any questions, please email me or put it into the post. Good luck.